The mask modifier is a very simple but powerful tool in Blender. It simply allows you to hide a specified section of geometry based on a vertex group or armature. In this video, we will just cover the vertex group side of things. So to demonstrate, here is our monkey head mesh. I'm going to go into edit mode and select these vertices here. I am then going to create a vertex group from this and assign it. Now I will apply the mask modifier to our monkey head, and then I will select our vertex group in the vertex group field here. As you can see, it hides everything outside of our grouped geometry. We can also invert this by clicking this icon right here. And lastly, the threshold value here is linked to mesh weighting. Vertices with weights less or equal to this threshold will be hidden. Weights can be customized using the weight painting feature in Blender. So when can the mask modifier be useful? A good example is if you want to mask off a character's body and then place clothes over them. The mask modifier will prevent the body and clothes clipping into each other. Thank you for watching. I hope this has helped a little bit with regards to the mask modifier in Blender. I will see you in the next video.